In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Dropbox storage space with our full 2025 guide. Managing your storage effectively can help you make the most of your Dropbox account. So let's dive in and learn how to do it quickly and efficiently. First, you'll want to head over to Dropbox.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, shift your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile picture. Give that a click. This is where you'll find all your account-related options neatly organized in a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the settings, you need to navigate to the Plan tab. This section is your go-to source for anything related to the specifics of your Dropbox plan, including storage details. Now, here's where you'll find the crucial information. Under the section labeled Storage Details, you'll get a comprehensive view of everything you need to know about your storage situation. Look for three key pieces of information here. First, it will show you the total storage available, which is the sum of space you're allotted based on your current plan. This is crucial because it helps you understand the full extent of the space you have at your disposal. The second item you'll see is Use Space, which simply informs you about how much storage you have already utilized. This figure gives you a rough idea of how close you are to maxing out your available storage, and it helps you decide whether you need to start clearing out some files or consider upgrading your plan. Lastly, Dropbox provides a breakdown by files, shared folders, and backups. This is particularly useful as it shows you exactly how your storage is being used. You can identify which files or shared folders are taking up the most space or estimate the amount of room your backups are occupying. Knowing this breakdown can be invaluable for effective storage management, allowing you to address specific areas that might be using more space than expected. All in all, this method provides the most accurate way to keep track of your Dropbox storage usage, ensuring you're always aware of your space constraints. By taking a moment to review these details, you'll be better equipped to manage your files and make informed decisions about your Dropbox account. So, whether you're just checking in or planning for future needs, staying informed about your storage usage is a great habit to maintain. And that wraps up our guide for today. I hope you found this information helpful. Thanks for watching, and make sure to manage your Dropbox storage effectively.